Good morning, guys! I wasn't able to vlog for the past few days kasi nagpahinga lang talaga ako. I just enjoyed yung mga days na wala akong ginawa, walang work, walang school. So basically, I'm going back to college this Monday. Friday ngayon. So, I believe we have hybrid classes na, so I'll be in Taft more often. Expect more college vlogs or in-campus vlogs. Sana magawa ko. Kasi minsan talaga, like, hindi ko siya naiisip mag-vlog pag super daming na nasa isip ko. Like, nakakalimutan ko mag-vlog. But I'll try my very best kasi ito nga yung goal ko for 2023. Tomorrow is actually... Wait, may props ako, guys. Teka lang. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's going to be Itzy's concert, and I will be going to the concert alone. It's going to be an experience because I've never done that. I've never been to somewhere na I'm just by myself. So yeah, it's going to be a challenge and it's going to be an adventure tomorrow. And now I'm off to somewhere. I have to shoot something for Casetify, and this is going to be my second time working with them. They actually sent me... Wait lang, nakita pa yung address ko to. Tada! Super love kong phone charms lately. And ito yung pinili ko. It's just this pearl one. Ito yung minimal na case lang, guys. Para nasa cinema yung bear. Super cute! I'll catch up with you guys later kasi feeling ko boring kapag ipapakita ko sa inyo paano pa ako mag-shoot and all. So, see you guys later. It's his concert. That's why nagmamadali ako dahil late na naman po ako. To be fair, 7 PM pa yung concert. Pero kasi, kaya ako pupunta ng maaga kasi kailangan kong magpicture. Ayun, nahabulin natin yun. Bago ako mag-soundcheck. Kasi yung soundcheck around 3:30 PM pa. So magpapalit na ako. Samahan nyo lang ako ngayon. To be honest, nakaka-stress tong umaga na to kasi nga na akong gagawin. Pero, ang iniisip ko na lang is mamaya mag-enjoy na ako. So, papalit na ako ng damit. Anyong.
I'm gonna be turning, keep holding me down. Yeah. 수면위로 비추는 이 세상을 봐. No. You can never know that. 너도 알잖아. 하늘은 언제나 열려있지. 왜 올려다보질 못해.
like. So I wanted to create a performance. Every time I knock, he can help let me in.
아름다운 내 기분은 언제나 뭔가 날 노래 이젠 그만해 아직하고 똑같은 나도 오네 이겨내야지 오네 이겨내야지 오네 사람 사는 거 다 똑같은 거 빌려지 그래 노래
Good morning, guys. Today is January 16, Monday. Grabe. I'm back to school now, or back to college. First class ko is around 11:30 pa. Tapos, it's currently 9. It's currently 9 a.m. I'm going to use this July Me for my hair para magkaroon ng volume, tsaka para maging mabango din siya. So, ayun, mag-jacket lang ako. Nagmamadali ako kahit mamaya pa naman yung classes ko, guys. Gusto ko kasi pag nasa school, comfortable lang ako. So, ano pa ba? Ano ako nakalimutan? Samahan niyo lang ako today kasi hanggang 4:30 ako sa... hanggang 5:45 pala ako today. Sana ma-survive ko tong araw na to. This top from Uniqlo. That's this one. I'll link it below. So, yun. Very tamad outfit for today. Pero okay lang yan. At least comfortable ako. So, grabe yung mukha ko. Okay. Doon ako sa kotse mag-makeup, guys. At wala talaga akong energy right now. Ito ako nagkakape ngayong araw.
Di wala, tayong dalawa. Oh my God, is this new us?
2023?
Music ka na lang.
Walking vlog. Today is January 17. Kahapon di ako super nakapag-vlog sa campus kasi I had 3 classes. Actually, it's around 2:30 or pa 3 na ata, 3 p.m. And I'm on my way to campus because I have 2 classes until 7:30 p.m. So, yun lang ang aking agenda. Cheers, me. Cheers.
Ganong video eh.
But like, I'm just 50%.